Hello, my dear friends. In this video, I'm going to tell you about my new article, How to Use Finance as Fuel for Your Startup or Business. My name is Artem Karavka and I'm the CEO of LivaRava company. If you are founding a new company or doing the first steps in business, this video is exactly what you need for this period. Let's get started. So, in this article, I will tell you about how to work with finance basics and different types of raising money for your business, such as personal savings, 3F family, friends, and fools, crowdfunding, bootstrapping, business angels, venture capital, investment funds, and institutional investors. I'm sure that this knowledge can save you a lot of time, nerves, and money, not only for you, but also for your investors. You can learn even more in my masterclass about fundraising. You can find the article in the link below. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Bye.